Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll show you the difference between Airtable and Smartsuite. For Airtable, all data from Airtable can be synced and can be organized and labeled using their available templates. Automations can also speed up your task. Edits made by the group can be seen and are synchronized. You can also perform administrative controls, granular permissions, and scalable architecture. If you're particular in having a systematic tracking system but also want an intuitive interface much like Google Workspace, then Smartsuite is perfect for you. You may check activity history to know what your teammates are working on and what changes they have made. It has automations to check the availability status of team members, view records in calendar format. You can also have data viewed through cards and charts. Collaboration and conversations within this project management platform is also available. Data and files can be imported and edited within the platform, and they also have their own spreadsheets. Field types and file management tools in this platform can make projects more organized. Map view can be used not only for tracking locations but also for sending directions. Member directory is also important if you are working with a large team. Page Designer is one of the unique features of this platform. Permissions up to team level, up to the higher ups, can also be managed. Time tracking is also available, and all projects can be viewed in a timeline, Kanban view, grid, and dashboards, which you can customize to your liking. If you want a straightforward interface, then go for Airtable, but if you want an intuitive one but a little bit complex in terms of task tracking system, then definitely go for Smartsuite and choose what works best for you. So that's it, guys. That's how Smartsuite differs from Airtable. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.